Welcome! If you want to make your Telegram group chats more lively and never miss an important message, you'll love this new update. Today, I'll show you how to enable topic sounds in your Telegram group on the PC app, step by step. This feature lets you control notifications for each topic, so you can stay tuned in to the discussions that matter most. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find the group where you're an admin, the one where you want to enable topic sounds. Click on that group to open it. Inside the group, you'll see all your ongoing conversations and topics. Now, locate the specific topic you want to adjust. Right-click on the topic. This will open a menu with several options tailored for that conversation. From the menu, look for the option that says Mute Notification. Hover over it, and you'll see another option appear, Enable Sound. Click on Enable Sound to activate notifications for that topic. This means you'll now get sound alerts whenever there's a new message in this topic, making sure you never miss a beat. With this update, Telegram gives you even more control over your group experience. You can fine-tune notifications for each topic, so you only get alerts for the discussions you care about. If you ever want to turn the sound off again, just repeat these steps and choose Mute instead. And that's it. You've successfully enabled topic sounds in your Telegram group on PC. Now you can enjoy a more organized and engaging chat experience, with notifications that fit your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your fellow group admins, and keep exploring all the new features Telegram has to offer.